recording right now. Alright. I hate bands breaking up. Bands breaking up to me is like your dog dying, honestly. But bands breaking up, they affect more people. And I especially hate it when they make a song about them breaking up. Like, you're breaking up, just stop making music and then just break up already, please. And then don't make this harder on me, because I feel like if you make one more song and then break up, I feel like that's even worse, because it's alright if like the band breaks up without any music, and without like music talking about them breaking up. But if it talks about them breaking up, that's just gonna remind me of it. And then even if it's catchy, I'm gonna keep listening to it and crying, but I'm gonna say that it's so catchy, and then it's like, what the hell? And then, yeah, basically, if you're breaking up, don't make music about breaking up. That shit is just hard on me. And everybody else, it's like, the hell, man. Like Yellowcard, they made a song about breaking up, and then I tore my heart out because I like Yellowcard. Yellowcard is awesome. Even though I only know a few songs from them, those few songs were awesome, like Away Away or something like that. But yeah, bands breaking up sucks. So please don't break up. It's the saddest shit ever. Like, I never want to see another band break up. If another band breaks up, I am going to hit that lamp. Yeah, if Green Day breaks up, I'm going to eat chocolate. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I hate chocolate. Okay, I freaking hate chocolate. Alright? Except for chocolate ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream, but I freaking hate chocolate. And then, yeah, that's it for the video. I know it's kind of shitty, but it's what you get. You know, what you get is basically what you get, right? Something like that. But yeah, see you guys. And I'm not gonna upload Thursday, so see you guys.